Hey everyone, what's good? Welcome in my another trade recap, and this is trade I took today in Monday. That was banger. As you can see, that was entry from 5-minute IFG. That was trade on my Funded account, and that's mean that only 3 days left to request a payout. But guys, I can't believe it, to be honest, because I'm finally starting to see that my work just pays off, and I can see my progress. I can see that this is the best days recently. This is the best weeks recently in my entire trading journey. I have the best performance in my life. This is really great, and I really believe that I can took this payout in the couple of weeks, I think. So we will see. I will show my execution from this trade, and I will show you also PNL right here. I won on this trade. Yes, $450, which is really nice. That was simple one-to-one. And now I have $900 on this account in profit. So really, really good. And yes, let's go into the recap. So coming into the market, my bias was really, really bullish. Why? Because when we are looking at daily, we tapped into this daily FVG. We had really good low resistance liquidity above us. So I'm really bullish, and we create also this really big new week opening gap. That was really good confirmation also to be bullish, because I can really often see that this new week opening gap just like to be filled completely. So that was my next confirmation to be bullish, and we didn't have right here any for our FVGs or maybe hourly FVG. We had only this intermediate low right here, but it's really for market open. So market open right here, and look what we start doing. We started create this really nice low resistance, and that was nice. That was the next sign that we want comes higher, and we had this nice 30-minute FVG below us, and I was just waiting for this setup. I really like this setup also, but as you can see, we didn't fill this FVG, and we had this really big dip to the upside. We didn't have any SMT right here with ES, as you can see, so I don't know why. We were just really bullish in this day, so I was just patient and I was just waiting on the next setup maybe. So right here we had the next 5-minute FVG, but we didn't get it, so I was just waiting. And now we create this nice 15-minute FVG. We fill this new week opening gap completely, but we had also really nice intermediate high as a target. So, and we had relative equal highs with that. I was really confident that this continuation just will be great. I was also on daily bullish, so I had really a lot of confirmations. Yes, so we had this 15-minute FVG, price filled this FVG. We didn't get right here any entry, unfortunately, because as you can see, this 1 minute was invalid because we had 4-minute FVG. So I was just waiting on the highest time frame to inverse, and in this case we had 5-minute FVG. So I was just waiting for that, and we didn't get on the first candle, we didn't get on the second candle, but we get right here. But I like that we left this high resistance right here inside of this 15-minute FVG. I really like that I don't have low resistance at my stop loss, so I was really confident this play. So I just decided to enter into that. My stop loss was at the 50% of these weeks, because these weeks were 2-4, and my risk reward would be not great. So I just set right here, and I just set my TP at this rejection block right here. Yes, and that was simple 1-to-1, as you can see right here. Yes, and I had perfect TP because after that we come slower, and I don't know what just happened. But yes, that was a really nice play, and I was really confident of that. I know that we had also 30-minute FVG below me, but I was so confident this play, guys. We were really close this relative equal highs, and we got entry from 5 minutes. I was just really confident. I don't know. I know that I shouldn't have at stop loss any key level, but in this case I saw just really nice rejection of this 15 minutes, and I just decided to enter into that. I don't know, guys, I just feel that when I backtesting I took a lot of trades like this also. I was just confident, you know. So I think that's all from today. Wish you bangers during this trading week. You can also join if you want on my Discord, and you can share your own setups, your own thoughts from your trading journey. You're welcome, and see you in the next recaps.